Who is King Sean?
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger. This one is highly recommended. People been in my DM and my Instagram asking me to do a video, a list of personal loans they could get approved for soft pulls, and they got bad credit. So I'm gonna give this. If you got a credit score between a 550 and a 650, these personal loan is going to be for you. And just to let you know off the back, so people don't be in the comments asking me the question, these are all pre-qualification soft pull personal loans, meaning you could fill it out, you could do what you got to do, you will get an offer. If you decide at the end of the day to accept that offer, I'm going to let you know it will be a hard pull. Now, I literally broke down every video about these personal loans that I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to show you the list. It's up to you. Decide if you want to move forward, right? So first one on the list is Avant, right? Out of the 10, number one is Avant. You could get it from $2,000 to $35,000. I know personally that they pull TransUnion. Avant, literally, I've seen people with a 550 get approved on a personal loan. So this is another one. And just to let you know, for any of these, if you want to get to a list to say, what do you need this money for? Don't be saying this is for debt consolidation. Please don't that. Do you think a bank really want to lend you money and you already in debt? Come on, let's have a little common sense right now. You always want to put major purchase or other. Those are the two things I have personally used in the past, and people I have helped in the past have used. So those are the two options that you could pick from. It's up to you. Again, this is educational use only. Next on the list, number two is Upstart. Upstart is another one. You could get a loan. Again, check your rate right here. You could get paid the next day if you get approved. You could borrow anywhere from $1,000 to $50,000. You could get it and literally get approval in 5 minutes. Again, no prepayment penalty, 35% lower rate. So again, that's outrageous. But again, if you have bad credit, these are the kind of issues you're going to deal with. Rates like that, 36% or lower. You know what I mean? So these is kind of things you got to think about. This is why I always try to promote fix your credit, take your credit to the next level, so you don't have to lean back on personal loans like this that's giving you high interest rate. Come on, people. Again, I'm giving you what you want. Y'all want a list? I'm showing you a list. Lending Club. Lending Club is another one, but I will have to say Lending Club is a little picky, so they will be asking for job verification. They will require pay stubs and stuff like that. So you will, even if you get the pre-qualification and you got an offer, you will have to upload your last 2 weeks pay stub. Again, you could get up to $40,000. I'll say out of all 10 of them, they are the most pickiest one. You could get approved with them with at least a 630 or more, right? Next on the list is Discover. Now, Discover, if you have a Discover credit card, I'm gonna let you know you in the door. You got a high chance of getting approved when you have a Discover, any kind of Discover product. You got a checking account, whatever it may be. You kind of in the door. Again, you can check your rate right there. Won't impact your credit, just to let you know. I already told you what you need to look for. If it's not on the list, you will pick other. Last choice is Home Improvement. So this is Discover. We're gonna move on to number 5, which is Happy Money. Now, Happy Money, you can literally get approved with Happy Money with a 550 out the gate. I have seen people with collections get approved with them. But now, they do something that a lot of people don't like. I just want to give you a heads up, right? So let's say you applied for Happy Money, right? And they personally can't approve you. What they will do is that they will shop your basic information around to other lenders. A lot of people don't like that because they don't want to be getting a lot of text messages, spamming and stuff like that. So just to, give you a heads up, they will be shopping around if they can't approve you. Just want to let you know, right? And you can get this done in 2 minutes. Number 6 on the list is One Main Financial. I personally, years ago, got a personal loan with One Main Financial. I think it was about $20,000 dollars. Approval, again, my interest rate, people, let me tell you, was 32.99%. Again, when you get in these kind of personal loans, people, make sure you have a exit. Please don't think you're gonna stick. Let me show you this. Don't think you're gonna keep this loan right here for 60 months. Because I'm gonna let you know, if you get approved for $20,000, right? And you pay all the way up to 60 months, that 20,000 might be 40 or 45,000. So please, let's start being smart. If you're gonna get this money, make sure it makes sense and you're using it for a reason. If you got an online store, e-commerce, whatever you want to invest back in yourself. Take that money, invest it, but start paying that money back immediately and try to pay it off. I always tell people, these kind of loans, you want to pay off in like 12 months, nothing longer, please. And you could get anywhere from $1,500 to $20,000. Like I said, I got a personal relationship. I got 2 personal loans when I was on my journeys building up my personal credit with them. But again, both APR was outrageous, but they both was paid in less than 12 months, right? So let's move on to the next one. Number 7 is upgrade. You can get up to $50,000. I'm noticing through the years with upgrade, they're getting a little hard to get approved. I remember I got a personal loan with upgrade when I got my last one with One Main. I got them at the same time. I got that play on my channel. If you want to know, get in my DM on Instagram and we'll get to it. I actually applied for 3 personal loans at the same time, 3 different windows. That's a whole nother story, but I got approved for this one too. Again, but they're getting a little difficult now. They want a lot of documents. They want to see a month of pay stubs. You will have to provide that. It's really no limit, but this is how you're going to get your approval. You know, if you make really, on the low end, you're only going to get approved on the low end. If you get high end, well, you're going to be somewhere in the middle or the max of $50,000. It's up to you. Everyone is going to be different. Again, you can check your rate. You don't have to worry about it affecting your credit score. Let's move right along, right? Number 8 is opportunity. Personal loan. Did a full breakdown on them probably roughly about 2 years ago. This is going to be, again, a no credit check, so you don't have to worry about that. Get a $10,000 loan. It's up to you. Again, you have to think what's best for you. These all are ranging. Like this one, you could get with literally a 620 credit score. You could get approved. Everybody's situation is going to be different. A lot of times people see these videos say, hey, 550, 650, I'm going to get approved. It don't work that way. Everybody's profile is going to be different. So let's move on to number 9. Number 9 is LendingTree. LendingTree was another one. At one point, you could really get approval very easy and no documents. But now they are asking for documents. So if you do have pay stubs, you will have, once you get that offer and you accept it, they will be asking for you to upload your pay stubs. You could get that between $1,000 and you see right here and $50,000. It's up to you. Everyone is going to be different. Again, low score, you could get approved with them. Everybody's going to be different. Everybody got different experience. Some people are good, some people are horrible, some people are bad. It all depends when it comes to these low grade personal loans. That's what I call them, low grade. And then this one, Lending Point. Now Lending Point, probably you're going to need probably a 650 with them. Lending Point, again, will be asking for pay stubs, so make sure you actually are working, because they will want you to upload it, and you could get it from $2,000 to $36,500. Again, Lending Point, pretty decent. Again, these low tier personal loan companies that you could get some money from, but again, it's gonna be up to you, up to your profile, what's going on. I literally just brought you 10 personal loans that you could get approved with, right? Between a 550 credit score and a 650 credit score is up to you. Go ahead, man. Tell me what y'all think. Get in the comments. If you had any of these personal loans in the past, get in the comments, tell me what you think. And just to let you know, go on to my Instagram at WHOISKINGSHAWN. And if you have any requests for any videos that you want me to make, get in the comments, get in my DM, tell me, and I'll get them videos out. But again, this one was highly recommended for a while, probably for the past 5 months. People have been asking for a list of personal loans that they could get with basically low bad credit. So here you go. Again, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.